4 sauces, amazing and delicious, low in carb, high in protein, and something you can use any day in seconds. Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have some amazing sauces for you. I make them directly on my yogurt container, and you can make them with soy yogurt, with coconut yogurt, and with plain dairy. The first one we're gonna make our wasabi dressing, and this one you wouldn't believe is one of my favorites. For 16 ounces of yogurt, we add 2 teaspoons of good wasabi, strong and delicious, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of honey, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. This is gonna give you 32 tablespoons. It's gonna keep refrigerated for a month. If you want to make it with Greek yogurt, then you'll have a spread. We're gonna do our second one, our chipotle dressing. And our chipotle dressing is something that my family loves to eat with chicken wings. Same 16 ounces of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of chipotles that I have ground before, 4 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and a rosemary sprig. That's it. Enjoy delicious and amazing chipotle sauce on any vegetable, on chicken wings. You can also add, as an extra, some blue cheese. Our third recipe is our pesto sauce. And for our pesto, I create a very strong pesto with less amount of olive oil. A bunch of basil, which I remove the leaves from. Then I pass them through hot boiling water for 2 seconds. And I strain them, place them on a towel, and dry them really well. Then I process them with a couple cloves of garlic, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a tablespoon of olive oil only. This is gonna create a very strong base of pesto for my sauce. Now, we're 5 ounces of my Pachi strong pesto and 16 ounces of yogurt. This is it, delicious and amazing pesto sauce for seafood, for chicken, and for any other vegetable or recipe you like. Now my fourth recipe is out of this world. If you can get sun-dried tomatoes that are not totally dry, but just very dehydrated and soft, you can use these, or you can use the ones that come in a jar with olive oil. We're gonna take a quarter of a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, processed, and we're gonna add a rosemary sprig and 1 cup of Greek yogurt. This is gonna create a delicious spread. If we wanna make it 4 dressings, then we add regular yogurt. That's it. A pinch of salt and pepper, and we are done. Remember, with Chef Pachi, eating delicious foods is all about the ingredients you use and the hacks that I teach you to make it fast and flowing in your kitchen. Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy! With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.